Hey, it's Al with Landlord.com. I'm going to extend my 12-volt wiring to light up this bathroom in here. Let me show it to you. Okay, I got this old bathroom here. It's dirty. I just hooked up a PEX line to bring water down here. I got a angle stop there, angle stop at the toilet, and I just need to wire this old switch here to this electrical outlet and wire this for a 12-volt battery. So getting power from the battery is powering these lights here, just like that. And that comes and has power here. And now I'm going to extend power from there to through that hole and to this light switch, to this light switch, and then to that outlet. Okay, here we go. This is after I made improvements. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn this around. Okay, lights are on. Here we go. I wired this up and changed this into a battery powered light. And I'm gonna clean up the wires, but it goes in here, and we got that cleaned up. And this light switch turns it off and on. It's working nice. Like here, through the door, simple step up and into the bathroom. Well, that's it. We're gonna have in this unit here that I just showed you, we're gonna have a vintage clothing store moving in on Sunday. I'll show you that, but that's about a wrap. We're about to finish these two units, this one here and this one here, and this third one here, all rented.